I'm back. I've been gone, I'm back. And I'm partly going to blame that on the fact that we're in a pandemic. That's what I'm going to roll with. It's Halloween. Woohoo. Spooky, scary, spooky season. And it's going to be my excuse to do some Trixie Mattel makeup.
Need help packing?
I want to look snatched. I can't even do like a halo eye. I can't even like match my foundation. This is probably going to be a disaster. But it's Halloween.
I love Halloween.
So, you know, it can be like Trixie after a long night of hooking. But anyway, let's get going. She done like a Trixie Mattel makeup on a budget, which is the tutorial I'm going to follow. I'm broke. I don't have money. I'm a student. We're in a pandemic.
Coronavirus!
The first thing we need to do is glue down our brows. This glue is like non-existent in the UK. These were so hard. Like our bitch had to work to get hold of these. But yeah, so I want to apologise to my brow lady now because I'm probably gonna rip. Oh, you shouldn't smell glue. You shouldn't smell. Let's get sickening, y'all.
Yeah, bitch, work.
I don't really have eyebrows to begin with, but I have really thin eyebrows, and I don't even have makeup wipes. How am I going to clean this up? This is a look within itself, very Joker-esque.
Bitch, no, that's...
We have to like brush it up.
Boom.
I'm stressed because I'm one of these. I'm the type of person who wants it to be like really good, but then I know who I am. And it's not going to be really good. So, love that for me. Also, we're in a pandemic. So when I went to makeup shop, whatever, there's no testers. So I've kind of had to... Sorry, I don't really buy Maybelline products, but look, I just... Oh, who's she? Yes, we can't test anything. So I've brought like some foundations and I don't think they're going to Maybelline Fit Me. I mean, it looks like how it should be looking. Trixie's doing very nude colours. The foundation. Oh sugar. I just got this Maybelline one. I don't even know if this is gonna fit me because oh my god. Right, probably the hardest part. Eye shape. Oh no. Right, that's where I'm at. Eyebrows. I can't even like fill in my normal eyebrows. I can't even hide my eyebrows, and he wants me to create completely new eyebrows. Right, I'm gonna have to leave it like that because we'll be here all day. I got one of these. I think it's L'Oreal. Look at this little beeper. I'm not gonna use it, but I just thought it was cute. My dad just called me and I have to go downstairs looking like this. To be fair, I went downstairs yesterday's Beetlejuice, so I don't think my dad even questions what I get up to when I'm up here anymore.
Boom.
I look like I should be in Witches. Okay, so I need to take this big stick and go. Oh, I got my Medusa. I just have to be careful because I can't. If I take that out, I'm not getting it back on with these nails. Okay. I look like I should be in Black Swan. That's what I look like. Okay, let me get. I got another one out. I got two. One that's like a bit darker. Bing bing. Caramel. I actually don't even like caramel. So we need to do my forehead, which honey needs bringing down the size. Okay.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
No, 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 no.
God, my hair. They're not even. Right, so I need to make my nose skinny. God, I need to put that poo brown on my nose now. I've never contoured my nose before because of this. Look like Mac when he's oh my god, Nightman, when he's the Nightman. Oh my god, I forgot we powder. That might actually save this horrific attempt makeup. I breathed like a big bit of that in. It's in. I can feel it in my nose. Right, I need this deepen, honey. Oh, honey.
Oh, honey.
I don't know if you can hear the people screaming outside, but that's all they do. They just scream outside, and I don't know why. He wants to make it darker. Can you not see my horrific? I might go out there and shout at them like this. That'd scare them. Next is white eyeliner. I'm gonna use face paint. It's gonna be so much easier. Oh, did I just snatch?
Girl, look how orange you look, girl.
This is, I'm not gonna lie, it's actually been, I do enjoy like I've always wanted to do like Trixie's makeup, Kimchi's I think would be hard as well. But I need to remember this is a first try. So now I need to do this white under. Ugh. No, this isn't eye safe. So don't copy me. Okay. I'm kind of feeling myself, I'm not gonna lie.
Delusion.
Okay, I'm gonna try and draw it first and then I'll fill it in. I'm gonna try and fill that in and see what happens. I mean the pen one, so I had to get Elf. Oh, Elf, that's the only one I could find. So let's snap.
Shut up, bitch! Shut the fuck up!
So now I need to put white on my nose. I'm kind of living. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna even lie. Okay, now we've got to do lips, and I'm a bit scared. That's gonna have to do. I can't do anything. It's done. It's on. How did I forget blush? How the freak did I forget blush? It's fucking Trixie. So I made my own Trixie lashes. This is 7. 7. Look at them.
Come for me, nurse.
What have I created?
They're the same picture.
This is insane. Right, let me put a wig on and see if this looks any less insane.
You're perfect, you're beautiful, you look like Linda Evangelista, you're a model.
I look like a literal man. I know Trixie does blonde, but this is the only big wig I have.
Boom.
I can't. This is so funny.